knock. Who is there? Hi everyone. Today is a big day. We got an amazing package. This is heavy. What's that? Ta-da! This is Slackline. Hi! Ciao! Mane se zove Ilmars.
サナです。Thank you for coming to our channel. We are Japanese and Latvian couples. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please do it now.
In this video,
Yeah.
I will quickly introduce you what's Slackline to me, and I will show you how to set it up.
Okay.
And I will quickly give you some beginner tips about how to do your first steps on a slackline. Sana is gonna be helping me with that. So stay tuned for Sana's masterclass on a slackline. What's slackline? Slackline is rope tied between trees. One tree, another tree, and we're gonna make it tight. Well, basically we have to out the rope. So Sana is gonna be helping me, showing you how to set up slackline.
Yes.
So first we need everything that's required for slackline.
Rope
Okay. What else we have there?
and rope. Another rope
Yeah.
with something.
Clamps. Tree protection.
Three.
Take a protection and put it around the trees, around knee height, approximately.
It's not long enough. Is it fine?
Yeah, sometimes it can be not long enough. So in that scenario, we're just putting it on a tree and then holding it while putting a clamps on. Yeah?
This?
But now I'm thinking my rope is quite long. In my scenario, we're gonna make it a little bit higher. And I would suggest if you have a shorter rope, which is 10-15 meters, then you do knee height. In my scenario I have 25 meters rope. It's gonna be more, yep, approximately like that. Perfect. And after that
This.
you should tighten around the tree one end of the rope. Tightener.
This is tricky when you do alone.
Yeah, but if Sana will manage to do it by herself, then you know that everyone can do it, because Sana have short arms. Simple, without any nuts, and for now just tighten a bit and make it hang here from this side while you're going to another side, and do the same stuff again in the next tree and find one end. Yeah, first make it straight line, and you should make half and half. Half and half. Yeah, like that. And now put it through this way. Yeah, it should be on the side.
How?
Now you should put from the top to the bottom. Yeah, stop. It's enough, a little bit. And now you should open a clamp by pulling this one. Open it. And while you having like that, yeah, clamp it few times. Yeah, like that. Yep. Yeah. And now you can let it go this side and take a rope and go to another side, another tree. You should get the end of the rope by not twisting. Yeah. And do the same stuff here. And on this side you get our rope through. Tightening with the hands. Now go back and just pull it with the hand. So you're making it tight. Yeah? And hold the bottom rope and clamp and tighten it. Open, yeah? Careful with the fingers. And this it should be straight. Good. And when you finish tightening up, you remember this one always put back, so it's fixed. It doesn't open.
The other side too?
The other side too, yes. The rope is done. Do your first steps. I want to share a little background story. So, when I first saw Slackline, I couldn't resist my curiosity and quickly decided to give it a try to see how good I am at keeping balance. Though of course before trying I thought that I was at least fine, and while looking how others are walking the line effortlessly, I couldn't imagine that it will feel so hard even step on. Yes, my first steps were terrible. I was same as anyone else who would be trying something new for a first time. But I was so curious about how it will feel to walk the line so effortlessly. And after a few years of showing up and trying to make another step, I finally got my answer on how does it feel. And that's the only way to find out actually. Stepping on and trying so many times until you reach your true balance. Hi. So as you can see, I'm trying to keep my arms up, but at the same time not making a big pressure. I'm shaking them off all the time. And I'm keeping my breath without tension. When I'm falling to one or another direction, I'm trying to get my weight back by reaching through the top to another side, keeping a straight body, straight back, core engaged. If you go and fall in the front, you see I am keeping my back still straight, but normally in the beginning you fall. And you fall a lot of times in the beginning, every time. And after trying for a while, you will be able to be and stand on a line effortlessly. Now it's time for you to see a beginner's steps on a slackline. Sana's gonna show you how she's doing that. And I'm gonna teach Sana a little bit. After professionals showing how to do that, here we have our beginner next to line. In the beginning, we're not trying to rush, but fixing the posture, keeping the back straight, put one leg on a line, try to raise up your arms and hold them on top, and wiggle a little bit so you don't feel that much tension, and slowly try to make a pressure on your leg that's on the line and see what happens. Whoa, that's a beginning. You're gonna fall a lot. Sometimes some people feel better balance when they watch on a tree in the end of the line. Some people feel better balance if you watch 2-3 meters on the line in front of you. And what I can say that slackline is something that you're gonna learn with coming back and trying it again and again and again till you get the feeling of balance. Hoppa, you see? Already better. By returning every time, you will feel that at one point you are able to hold yourself on the line. And that's an amazing feeling. And For me, when I'm walking a line, I'm able to get rid of my daily thoughts. You should keep your breath slow and try to relax, clear your head, and don't think about anything. You can see that Sana is watching on a rope. I'm doing amazing.
And this is something you can be a pros by doing only one step like a baby.
Right? Thank you everyone
Thank
for
you everyone
watching.
for watching.
We hope that you liked our little tutorial on our hobby that we like to do. We would like to hear your opinion about Slackline, and would you like to try by yourself, or if you decide that you want to try by yourself, you can check the link in the description for your first Slackline. You can put the best beginner options that you can simply order in Amazon. Sana can do it. Everyone can do it. Yeah, let's try it out and share maybe your experience. We would like to see and hear from you. If you like this video, of course, leave a like.
Hit the
Don't
button.
forget to subscribe. Okay.
See you next time.
Bye.